Well, enough of that.
Peppino, what are you doing?
I'm fast-forwarding to where we come in.
But you can't go out of order.
Oh,
Next,
prepare.
it's the
My
brand
poor
new
son,
show,
pal.
Foster's
I've
Home
got
for
the remote.
Imaginary
But
Friends.
everyone's gonna get confused. We
And
gotta
later,
go back to
it's
the
What's
beginning
New,
of the story.
Scooby-Doo?
We're not in the beginning of the story.
Yes, we were, the whole time.
Huh? Yeah, but they don't know that.
And why don't we tell them our story?
Hey, I've got an idea. Why don't we tell them our story?
Oh, I like the sound of that.
Take them behind the scenes for a look at the story within the story. They don't know how we were there, even though they didn't know. Couldn't have said it better.
So we're going back to the beginning?
No, noise. We're going way back to before the beginning.